Hello everyone, welcome back to our PYQ series Revised to ACE, and today we are going to discuss about this very important concept of world's first liquid mirror telescope, because science and tech is very important area for UPSC, and that's why we should know all the important development which is happening. So first it is related to science and tech, second it is related to the स्पेस ऑब्जेक्ट और स्पेस रिलेटेड टेक्नोलॉजी इट इज, ठीक है. सो स्पेस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी दोनों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं यूपीएससी के लिए. सो वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड इट फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ओके, सो व्हाई इट वाज इन न्यूज, व्हाट इज लिक्विड मिरर, पहली बार सुन रहे हैं. मिरर टेलीस्कोप सुना है, लिक्विड मिरर टेलीस्कोप. सो व्हाट इज इट, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. वी विल फर्स्ट टेक द क्वेश्चन एंड देन वी विल सी that what question is asking. So the question is demanding, recently India commissioned its first liquid mirror telescope at Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh. So state या UTs भी पता है, you have to just tell the state and UTs. You don't have to go into the specific by whom, where, exact location, but we will understand it because कभी भी holistic information पता होनी चाहिए, right? So from that point of view, we will understand it in a holistic manner. Okay, let's understand that why it was in news. It was in news because of this article. It says that as India gets world's first liquid mirror telescope for astronomy, what is it? How will it be used? So ये वर्ल्ड का फर्स्ट, उस लार्ज स्केल का वर्ल्ड का फर्स्ट लिक्विड मिरर टेलीस्कोप है. Why the name is liquid mirror? वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट एस्ट्रोनॉमी के पर्पज से, ठीक है. सो विल अंडरस्टैंड इट वन बाय वन. Where it all has come? अच्छा, इसका नाम क्या है? इसका नाम है इंटरनेशनल लिक्विड मिरर टेलीस्कोप, ILMT. It has been set up at Devasthal Observatory Campus, Devasthal. Where it is? It is in Nainital, Uttarakhand. Basically, it is in Uttarakhand, and it is owned by the Aryabhat Research Institute of Observation Science, ARIES. That is in Nainital, Uttarakhand. So Devasthal, Uttarakhand में इसको इंस्टॉल किया गया, इसको कमीशन किया गया है, लिक्विड मिरर टेलीस्कोप. सो व्हाट इज इट, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द कन्वेंशनल टेलीस्कोप, दैट आल्सो वी शुड नो. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट फॉर इंडिया. बहुत ही साइंटिफिक, इनफैक्ट यू कैन यूज इट इन मेंस आल्सो व्हेनेवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिजिनाइजेशन, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. GS3 में टेक्नोलॉजी आता है, सो यू कैन यूज इट एज एन एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ दिस लिक्विड मिरर टेलीस्कोप. So this liquid mirror telescope will observe the asteroids, supernova. It will observe the space debris which are there, or for that matter any celestial object it will observe, and it is situated at the height of 2450 meters altitude in Himalayas. So clear मिलेगा उसको, कुछ sky clear मिलेगी. Observation के लिए grounds are fertile. Devasthal Observatory in Uttarakhand, there it has been commissioned, and it is owned by ARIES, which is there in Nainital, Uttarakhand. ये basic information हो गई. कुछ उसके features को देखते हैं. So when we compare it with conventional telescope, so we have conventional telescope on the one hand and this liquid mirror telescope. So the conventional telescope का purpose क्या होता है? Let's say if any object is there, you have to point the telescope and you have to move that telescope. ठीक है, जिधर भी आपको point करना है आपको move करते रहना है and it will observe. So the conventional telescope is instead to point towards the celestial source of interest. जिधर हमें जो source of interest है उधर उसको लेके जाना पड़ता है. But ये जो liquid mirror telescope है, it is a stationary telescope. ये fixed है और उस fixed में अर्थ का rotation हो रहा है. So whatever is coming at that point of time, this strip of sky, the space which is visible through this telescope, every celestial object will be captured. So it is a stationary telescope that images strip of the sky which is at its zenith and at a given point of time in the night. हर नाइट में जो भी इसके सामने रहेगा उसको करता है. कन्वेंशनल टेलीस्कोप की अपनी लाइफ टाइम होती है, अपना एक टाइम होता है, फिक्स होता है, उसी टाइम पे करते हैं. इसको डाल के छोड़ दिया गया है. एवरी नाइट वॉट एवर इज देयर इन दैट स्ट्रिप और अर्थ का रोटेशन हो रहा है, इट विल कैप्चर. It is going to generate lot of data from the astronomy point of view. Astronomical purpose के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डेटा ये generate करने वाला है for the next 5 years. And the liquid mirror telescope will survey, capture any and all the possible celestial objects. It can be stars, it can be galaxies, supernova explosion, or it can be asteroids, space debris. जो भी उधर आया सबको करेगा. ठीक है, कन्वेंशनल टेलीस्कोप में आप ऑब्जर्व करते हो, अच्छा कहां क्या, जिधर जिसको देखना है उसकी तरफ आप पॉइंट करते हो. सो दिस इज वन डिफरेंस. सेकेंड, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द अदर टेलीस्कोप्स, दे यूज ग्लास मिरर्स. ग्लास होता है, ग्लास का मिरर होता है, पैराबोलिक शेप में होता है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली बीम किया जाता है एंड वी कैप्चर द इमेजेस. But here the name is ILMT, that is liquid mirror, is suggesting it is a mirror which is made up of some thin layer of liquid, some layer of liquid. So here that liquid is thin layer of liquid mercury has been used. So the image which you are seeing here, it is the liquid mercury. और उस liquid mercury को it floats on the 10 microns of the compressed air. You know what is the width of our hair? 70 माइक्रोन. ये 10 माइक्रोन के कंप्रेस्ड एयर पे फ्लोट करता है एंड एक पैराबोलिक शेप मिलता है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच दिस लिक्विड मिरर इज एक्टिंग एज अ जो ग्लास मिरर काम करता है, यहां लिक्विड मिरर काम कर रहा है एंड इट इज रोटेटिंग ऑल्सो आफ्टर एवरी 8 सेकेंड्स. तो उसकी वजह से भी थोड़ा उसका एरिया बढ़ जाता है. लिक्विड मिरर टेलीस्कोप्स आर फार मोर कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव. कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होते हैं उनकी मोल्डिंग. दिस इज सॉलिड, सो उसके मोल्डिंग उसके बनाने में थोड़ा कॉस्ट ज़्यादा लगती है. इसमें कुछ मोल्डिंग वगैरह करना नहीं है, एक टेम्परेचर पे रखना है एंड उस टेम्परेचर के हिसाब से उसको एक जो भी कंटेनर है उसमें रखना है. तो सॉलिड के जितना इसमें कॉस्ट नहीं लगता है. सो इट इज कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव ऑल्सो. सो दैट इज अनदर एडेड एडवांटेज फॉर फ्रॉम द टेक्नोलॉजी एंड कॉस्ट वाइज ऑल्सो. सो बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज बेनिफिट्स वी आर यूजिंग इट. प्रिसीजन अच्छा रहता है एंड द फीचर वी हैव सीन दैट वॉट एवर इज कमिंग इट विल बी देयर. इट इज ए स्टेशनरी, लिक्विड है, सो यू कैन नॉट मूव इट, है ना. एंड दिस इज इट अबाउट द concept liquid mirror telescope. But if we have to revisit the question again, then now you know the answer. The answer is Uttarakhand. हिमाचल प्रदेश, लद्दाख, अरुणाचल प्रदेश में नहीं है, ठीक है. But whenever you are covering such questions, now you know that what kind of question UPSC is asking. It is about technology, it is about the indigenization of technology. So definitely they will highlight it. Definitely this is some recent development from astronomy point of view we should know. But at the same time, we should also prepare some added extra information. What is it? Let's have a look. So this was in news. Here there is one option, Ladakh. ठीक है? This was in news. Indian Astronomical Observatory, where the stars must not twinkle. Stars की twinkling क्यों होती है? You must have read it in science. Atmosphere होता है या मिराज क्यों फॉर्म होता है? ट्विंकलिंग वहाँ होती है. एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, कहीं थिन होता है, कहीं रेयर, कहीं थिन रेयर होता है, कहीं बहुत थिक एटमॉस्फेयर होता है. Why they have chosen Ladakh? So it is saying that clean skies, high altitude, complete darkness are vital for India's cutting edge astronomical observatory in Ladakh's Hanle village. Remember this. This was in news somewhere in October 2022 itself. So Ladakh's Hanle village has been chosen because of its clean sky, high altitude, because of its complete darkness, where the observation of the sky, the stars and the celestial objects will be very clear. That's why Indian Astronomical Observatory has been installed, has been commissioned at Hanle, Ladakh's Hanle village. And this image which you are seeing, this is the image of Milky Way from Hanle. So that kind of clarity is there. So this is our observatory and this is our Milky Way. ठीक है? So that is the importance. It is very important because of another article as well. So this is another article which was in news. This was in January itself, January 23, just 7 days back. The dark sky is natural resource and too much light is polluting it. So we have already, you must have read about or you must have come across this information related to light pollution, how it is affecting the observation, how it is affecting humans, the circadian rhythm, the biological clock. If we are shooting in this night and we are in this light, what will happen to the sleeping pattern? Because of too much of light, the melatonin is not getting released. So it is affecting our lifestyle diseases आ रहे हैं, non-communicable diseases हो रहे हैं, cancer हो रहा है, right? So it is affecting humans, it is affecting flora and fauna, unki flowering, unki growth, everything is getting affected. it is affecting humans. But if we talk about from the astronomy point of view, it is directly affecting. Too much of light is there, it is getting reflected back to the space, to the clouds, ये open space में. Because of that we are not able to observe. So sky gazing, star gazing जो पहले हॉबी हुआ करती थी वो भी नहीं हो पा रही क्योंकि स्टार्स दिखते ही नहीं है. And if it is something of this important, where we are talking about from science and tech point of view, astronomy point of view, then definitely we cannot observe anything. So that's why this article is highlighting कि dark sky reserves होने चाहिए. And this was in news because the district administration of the Ladakh, the district administration has recently announced 6 villages, 6 hamlets as the dark sky reserves, and those 6 hamlets are here in the Changtang Wildlife Sanctuary. So read this, what is given here. The district administration of Ladakh designated 6 hamlets within the Changtang Wildlife Sanctuary as dark sky reserve, an area whose sky were free of light pollution. So this again becomes very important. कभी अगर Changtang Wildlife Sanctuary के respect में dark sky reserve दे दिया, we will not understand that why they have given, right? Henley is there. तो ये Henley के आसपास के जितने hamlets हैं उनको announce किया गया है dark sky reserves, and they are there in the Changtang Wildlife Sanctuary. तो ये ध्यान रखना है कि environment का भी एक concept है but science and tech से भी related concept है. तो उसको dark sky reserve जब बोला जाएगा तो light pollution वहाँ maintain किया जाएगा कि ना हो. So that's why it was in news. Okay. So now you know what is the importance of Uttarakhand, what is the importance of Ladakh from the astronomy point of view. Indian Astronomical Observatory, ठीक है, liquid mirror telescope. So this is how you should interlink and revise. This is how you should prepare your topics. Now UPSC is giving us hints कि भाई in what direction we are asking. So we have to be ready, we have to be prepared. Okay, so this is it in today's video, guys. And what else to cover other than liquid mirror telescope we have covered. Kabhi in the last year's video we have already covered about the space के different celestial objects like asteroid belts, different types of planet. We will provide the link in the comment section. You can go through that so that अभी revise कर लो, space से related चीजें अभी revise कर लो, ठीक है? So this is it. Take care. And I hope you all are taking care of your current affairs as well. So do take care of your current affairs. Don't ignore them. Don't push it to the very last कि कर लेंगे last में कुछ भी. And especially your CSAT. Don't ignore it. You know why we are saying that. Okay. So take care of your health. Revise well. And we will meet tomorrow in another video. See you all. Bye-bye.